Just about to go live. Perfect. So let's start off with CoinMarketCap. Like to look at the prices to start the day. So 55% dominance. It's looking pretty green today. Bitcoin hovering around 65.50. I think we'll push to 67.50. Ethereum, nice gain. It's been taking a hammer lately. Everything else looking fairly good. Let's get right into the news. So Coinbase and Bitgo reaffirm plans to serving institutional investors. They just opened their New York office. So Coinbase has been working with regulators and SEC, the government, to push forward and to enable like cryptocurrencies as securities. They've been working very close with them, and they're enabling institutional and custodial services. So if you remember, in 2017, we hit 20 grand without any institutional funds. So Coinbase is trying to get the institutional funds into the market. So doing so, we'd push up Bitcoin and a lot of other prices through the roof, I believe. Their office in New York is a very good step towards that. As you can see right here, just opened. And we do, as it states here, need fresh capital. Institutional demand will do it. A lot of institutions and people in general, they're afraid to invest into cryptocurrency because just the unknown, the fear of the unknown, like, you know, so volatile, losing the crypto maybe through a hack or not storing it probably. There's so much things that could go wrong. Coinbase is doing so much. And at first, everybody really kind of hated Coinbase, and you know, their fees are a lot higher than other exchanges, but they're moving forward in the right direction, and they're actually enabling a lot of unlocked cash to go towards the market cap and to jump into the cryptocurrency market. As well as cryptocurrency and blockchain are hugely popular at universities. The course, there's not enough courses for the students demanding to go into blockchain or cryptocurrency. So I think that it says here there's 4 times increase in software positions and 9 times increase in financial services jobs. If I was still going to school, blockchain or a cryptocurrency course is definitely the course I would take. It's pretty cool that, as it says here, 26% of people intend to do the courses. So, like I said, if I was going to school and there was a blockchain or cryptocurrency school, I would definitely be in it. And also, it just shows you that this industry is kind of evolving. They now have classes and programs at school where you can learn about blockchain and cryptocurrency and programming and all the security and the history of it. So I find that very cool. People get to learn and now work in that industry. So it kind of shows you that, you know, this is not just a fad. This is not just a bubble. This is real and it's here to stay. More proof of that is 70% of institutional finance execs believe that cryptocurrency is here to stay. So if you look at this graph, they surveyed 141 different executives, and look at this. 38% think a regulatory construct will develop, leading to growth and innovation. 32% believe many cryptocurrencies will fail, but a few will survive and thrive. So that's 70% right there. Then you have, it will remain a fringe asset class without broad stream adoption. Regulatory crackdown will eliminate the market. Most, if not all, coins will become worthless. You can see crypto will grow and eventually disintermediate traditional finance and don't know. So look at these two. Huge. That's pretty positive, to be honest, that a lot of these financial executives believe that Bitcoin's here to stay. Not necessarily the whole market, not other altcoins, not shit coins, just Bitcoin, and probably just the stronger, maybe top 5 or top 10 altcoins that are here. Maybe like Bitcoin, XMR, which is the first privacy coin, Ethereum, because of, you know, the platform it offers, the smart contracts, ERC20, and just coins that are basically have a use case and that are actually needed, not just an idea that has never actually fulfilled anything. I wanted to jump into Tezos. So Tezos today is up 25%. Yesterday it was up another 25%. I'm going to jump into the graph, into the exchange. But if you guys are familiar, the Tezos they launched and they got 232 million, one of the biggest ICOs. But after that, the founders were publicly fighting with each other and created this huge scene basically, and a lot of people got worried because obviously they raised a ton of money, 232 million. So a lot of people filed lawsuits against them, and there's a class action lawsuit against a lot of the founders. But in the writing, in the white paper, I guess the disclosure, they stated that all funds are deemed to be donations, not as an investment. So I guess a lot of people didn't read that, and if this fails, they say that it was more of a donation than an actual investment. So kind of sketchy and kind of not professional for these guys to be fighting, the founders to be fighting through Twitter and publicly. So a lot of heat towards Tezos, and it kind of seemed like a scam and a failing company. But they just announced on Monday their mainnet's going to launch. So Tezos is going to have its own mainnet, and it's launching on Monday. Look at how it affected the price. This is the US dollar pair. You can see that this is kind of the bottom. Look at here, the support. 1 time, hit 2 times, 3 times. And this is where we're at. We've broken above the EMA. We're at $1.66 right now, and I believe that we can come to this resistance right here, $2.30. So another 60% or 70% gain. You can see Tezos here as well. It's really stooped down to a low, but now it's picking up because of its mainnet. I think maybe if you get in, maybe you have a day or two to take some profits, because I do see it potentially hitting $2.30. This is not financial advice. This is just a tip, you could say. I might get in. I'm going to look at it, but I'm going to look at some other coins that haven't kind of moved from their bottom. So like, let's say Steam, it's taking a beating. There's a bunch of other coins that are very close to the bottom, and it's a great time to accumulate. So I will share those coins. It's very... what I'm trying to say is not a bunch of news today, just wanted to share these with you guys. So if you want to like, subscribe, and comment, I'll be sharing news with you guys every day, other coin opportunities with you guys, and a bunch of other values. So hope you liked it, and that's it for today.